So to continue with something about PowerPoint, we're going to be looking at the Slide Master. And yeah, just in case we are like, this is the document, and then you want to go. First of all, Slide Master is just going to help us to put all the, like, we're going to put everything that you want to edit, like all the format, the different editing features that you want to put in the entire document. Instead of having to apply them to each slide individually, you can just use Slide Master to apply them to the entire document, to all the slides. We use the same thing for all the slides, and you just do it at once. So you come to view, and then you select Slide Master, then you select the uppermost. So now as you can see, click to edit master title still. So you come to the title bit. So any changes you make here are going to come to all the titles in your entire document and all the slides. And yeah, you come back to these normal editing features as we've seen, for example the transitions, the animations. Maybe we can choose fade. Yeah, and then for these ones, meaning for all the text here that's appearing as the first one, the features you put here are going to affect it. Then all the text appearing on the second line, yeah, as you continue. Okay, so that's done. Yeah, then down here, as you can see, for the footer, you can put something, probably your name, anything. And then here, you can put the date. You can also add current. You can also add the time and the date. And then here, you can put page numbers. And how do we do all that? For the footer, you come here to insert header and footer. Yeah, I want to insert a footer. I want to insert slide number and then date and time. For the date and time, you can choose to update it automatically, meaning in case I make my presentation today and I present it tomorrow, the date which is going to be shown is going to be tomorrow's date. If I present it next week, the date for next week on that particular day is the one which will come. But in case I select fixed, meaning only today's date is going to remain there for all the days. So you can choose this and it will bring date and time and you apply to all. So when we go back the other side, our slides shall be having a footer, and you type in here anything that you want to put for the footer. For example, your name. Yeah, we shall be having the date, the time, and the page number. Then for the background, you can also, you right click and then you come to format background. And then this will come. In case you want to put one solid thing, like maybe a uniform color, or you want it to be gradients, let's just see all of them. For solid colors, you select a color and it will come on all your slides. In case you want it in gradients, yeah, you can choose the design and other stuff. If you want a picture or texture, For the picture, you come here and then you insert if you want a picture to be the background, or if you want any kind of textures. You can see all this, select any, and on a pattern fill you can still select any of these patterns, and you select a color that you want your patterns to be in, and it will be your background. And after all that, you can choose this, then you apply to all. And you can close this. Meaning all the editing features we've put here are going to appear on the other side on our slides. In case you also want to add an image and you want it to appear on all your slides, you can still put it here, or a shape. Since you do not have images, you can use a shape. Maybe you want to put a circle, and you can edit it, and it will appear, or depending on the topic you're talking about. Maybe you're talking about computers, you can put an image of a computer from clip art and others. So when you go back, and also here in the like on the title, you can choose to make it word art. You select the particular style you want. So you come to insert word art, and then you select the particular style you want for the titles. Or you can just do this on the title slide alone. So after making all our changes, then you can close master view. And then when you come back to your document, you see the changes have come to all the slides. And in case we go to slideshow for a bit, and you try to see how the slideshow is going to look. Click on F5. You can see that here your footer has come, your date, and your slide number. And then as you keep clicking the arrow that shows next, the information keeps on coming, depending on how you made your transitions, your animations, and others. Then you can press escape to stop the slideshow. So that's how we use master slide to make editing for the entire document at once.